Them never gone, them there. Blood remember, spirits awaken.
Ancestors rise.
Ancestors rise, I feel them in me soul.
Voices in the night say you already know.
Fire in me blood, yeah, the power I'm full.
Can't run from the truth when the story been told.
Ancestors rise, yeah, and calling my name.
From the roots to the stars, now I'm breaking the chain.
Shadow try fight, but the light still remain.
I was born for this war, I was built for the flame.
Yeah, visions in me dreams, couldn't sleep, couldn't hide. See the faces from before, walking right by me side. Old kings, old queens, yeah, them watching me rise. Through the smoke, through the veil, I can see through the light. Mark on my skin, start glow in the dark. Every step that I take, leave a flame, leave a spark. Hear the drums from the past, beating deep in me heart. I ain't lost, I was chosen from the very start.
Them call me from the soil where me roots run deep. Them guide me, even when I can't sleep. Whoa, ancestors rise, I feel them in me soul. Voices in the night say you already know. Fire in me blood, yeah, the power unfold. Can't run from the truth when the story been told.
Shadow in the corner, yeah, watching me grow.
Whisper in the dark, say you reap what you sow.
But I stand 10 toes, I ain't running no more.
Try 1,000 lifetimes, then you right on my door.
Jungle in my spirit, lion in my chest.
Every test that